Hello, I'm Sean and welcome back to the CEN YouTube channel. One of this week's projects has been this BMW X5 F15 model. This is a returning customer previously working on his Mini Countryman and Audi RS4. This time he contacted us looking to enhance his audio in his new BMW. This X5 was equipped with the 676 Hifi option from factory. We have used the Match Up 8 BMW amplifier DSP, which is a direct replacement and plugs directly in without any modifications to the wiring. This product is a fairly new release from Audio-Tech Fisher and supersedes the Match Up 7 BMW. Moving on to the speakers, we have used the Morel BMW Performance range for the front and rear. This includes a 4-inch mid-range and tweeter in the front doors and a 4-inch coaxial in the rear. We have then upgraded the underseat woofers, going from a 6.5-inch to an 8-inch woofer. We have used the Match W8BMW-S. These are a 2-ohm woofer and run independently of the new Match amplifier, which is located in the boot area. Audio-Tech Fisher, the manufacturer of the amplifier, offer a file upload for the DSP for ease of installation for the end user. We, however, have manually tuned this system to optimise the capabilities of the products. So, if you have the 676 option in your vehicle, be sure to check out the Match Up 8 BMW amplifier DSP. This is available on our website along with all the other products featured in this video. If you have a BMW or Mini which you're looking to upgrade or get some advice on, feel free to drop us an email or give us a call. I've been Sean. Thanks for watching the channel and we'll see you again very soon.